And check this out, this is actually kind of crazy. This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days based on our content within the membership and the indicators. This person won the 5% AVAX trade while they were sleeping. This person covered their member dues for the year based on the information shown in those future forecast videos. Your money is being manipulated. And as of right now, we're not entirely sure by who, but conflicting reports about the SEC release of the Bitcoin ETFs have been arising, and it's caused quite a stir in the market, with some coins dropping as far as 12%. Now, there's good news and bad news here. You're going to want to pay attention through the whole video. Let me show you everything we've found. We've done a lot of research for this morning's video. Check it out. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Just a couple of announcements before we get into the analysis. We have a brand new future forecast. This is members only content, and Travis, the founder of Trade Confident, is going to go super in-depth talking about if you think this drop is bad, then you better hold on a lot tighter, because this should get a lot worse from historical data. Don't miss out on the future forecast video, and as a heads up for our traders, we have 7 brand new active trades for you to check out. Don't miss out on those. All of that and more available with our membership at the links in the description down below. Today's video is going to be mostly fundamentals. I'll end the video with some technical analysis. First up, a couple of articles from Matrixport. This was posted a couple days ago, Monday, January 1st, 2024. Bitcoin spot ETF approval imminent. Bitcoin jumped to $50,000. An explosive Bitcoin surge to $50,000 looms large in January. Matrix on Target wrote on December 21st, 2023. After the typical mid to end December consolidation, Bitcoin is poised to break out on a robust beginning of the year buying flow. A potential Bitcoin spot ETF approval could be announced today or tomorrow, ahead of most traders' expectations for approval on January 8th, 9th, or 10th. If this occurs, we expect Bitcoin prices to rise significantly. So this was posted just a couple of days ago, once again, January 1st. Now, as of last night, Tuesday, January 2nd, 2024, Matrixport posted this: why the SEC will reject Bitcoin spot ETFs again. Matrix on Target has been bullish against consensus expectations in 2023 and predicted early in the year that Bitcoin could reach $45,000 by Christmas. Great call on their part. I'll give them credit where credit is due. We even expected that if all SEC requirements for the Bitcoin spot ETFs were fulfilled, Bitcoin could rally towards $50,000 by the end of January 2024. While we've seen frequent meetings between the ETF applicants and staff from the SEC, which resulted in the applicants refiling their applications, we believe all applications fall short of a critical requirement that must be met before the SEC approves. This might be fulfilled by Q2 2024, but we expect the SEC to reject all proposals in January. Now, this news and this news alone, keep in mind this is entirely speculation, has resulted in a massive crypto crash. Every single cryptocurrency is dropping. In fact, let's check this out. Let's check out the total market cap of crypto itself. In today's market, from the open to the current point that we're at, $65.6 billion has left the crypto market, and that is in less than 24 hours. Now, if you aren't convinced of market manipulation yet, check this out. On January 2nd, breaking news: BlackRock will buy $10 million worth of Bitcoin tomorrow. So this should be happening today, January 3rd, but another tweet just came out, big breaking: BlackRock will buy $10 million worth of Bitcoin has been postponed to the 5th of January 2024. I'm willing to bet that the price of Bitcoin is going to drop and see a bottom somewhere around the $41,350 mark, just so BlackRock can buy up $10 million worth of Bitcoin and pump it back up for their own profits. And one last tweet to kick it all off. Just in, the SEC schedules meetings today with the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and CBOE to finalize comments on spot Bitcoin ETFs, Fox Business reports. We have conflicting information everywhere from major players in the crypto market and the general economy saying that the SEC is going to disprove the Bitcoin ETF. They're going to approve the Bitcoin ETF. They're already finalizing comments. Massive companies are buying up massive amounts of Bitcoin already on this dip. This is market manipulation at play. You're seeing it live. It is happening right this second, and the effects on the market are devastating. The whales are not like us. They are not with us. They are not on our side. They want to take our money, the retail traders' money, so they can make the most profit possible. And oh boy, are they good at it. Now, at this point, we truly are not sure who's actually manipulating the market. Whether it's Matrixport just trying to cause crazy fear, uncertainty, and doubt, whether it's BlackRock trying to purposely crash the market so they can buy lower, whether it's the SEC making things really confusing and doing their power trip that Gary Gensler tends to like to do, whatever it is, it's not affecting the big guys, it's affecting the people like us who are just trying to get by, who were super excited to wake up over the past few days and see major moves to the upside in Bitcoin. We really had hope, but the market manipulation is causing such fear, uncertainty, and doubt, it's absolutely crazy. Now, even us at Trade Confident are not immune to this. We've been doing our best to provide the best data we possibly can, following metrics, indicators, market data, and everything to give the best data we can possibly provide to our traders. We had been calling a move up to $45,000 and a drop as far down as $32,000. And I think this is still going to play out, but the timeline for this is completely jumbled up at this point. And all of our previous speculation was entirely dependent on the SEC approval of the Bitcoin ETF. If you haven't watched previous videos, in short, typically after an ETF approval on a new asset, the asset will shoot up for a couple of weeks, followed by multiple weeks of a massive drop before finally recovering. We expect this exact same thing to play out on Bitcoin, with a possible move up to $48,240 upon the approval, followed by a drop to $32,000 to form a new higher low and continue the general Bitcoin uptrend. Now, despite all of this market manipulation, and this isn't financial advice, I just want to give an encouraging word. Bitcoin is one of the strongest assets in the market, and because of that, I personally really trust what Bitcoin is doing. 2023 was an extremely rough year for cryptocurrency. Massive distrust was wrought through the crypto market, everywhere from the Luna crash, the FTX collapse, multiple exchanges completely dying out through this bear market, massive fraud cases, and everything like that. And yet, here we are with Bitcoin. We have recovered. We have tested as high or a little bit higher than $45,000. Even if this is massive market manipulation, even if a Bitcoin ETF never comes out, I think Bitcoin's going to remain strong. We've gotten to where we're at, posting as high as $69,000 all the way back here from the previous bull run, way up here. And we did that without the approval of any sort of Bitcoin ETF. In fact, for the vast majority of the time, a Bitcoin ETF wasn't even on the table. It wasn't even on anybody's mind, and we've gotten to where we're at today without it. Bitcoin is going to stay strong. I truly believe in Bitcoin, and because of that, I'm not worried. Personally, I think we're going to see whales buy the dip. We can already tell this is happening. Let me scroll in a little bit farther to make this more clear. We know this is happening because after this massive crash, we saw a drop all the way down to about here, and that was at $40,665. Since then, though, within the same 24-hour period, the price has jumped back up like crazy. And what this tells me as a trader is people bought this dip. I imagine there was a ton of buying pressure right at this level, tons of long trades, and because of that, the price jumped back up. And I'm almost absolutely sure that was a mix between whales and retail traders. And for me, the best plan of action at this point is just to follow suit. If whales are buying, I think it could be a good idea to buy too. And the best possible way to tell when to do this is just to follow whale money. We use the price versus whale money flow here. It has been extremely reliable. As we can see here, whale money has been dropping out of the market overall, even if people are buying the dip. It just balanced out around this point. And once we see price versus whale money flow low, we are seeing trades in favor kind of in the middle of its chart. What I'm going to be looking for to buy the dip is a drop into the long trade zone. If we see long trade zone, price versus whale money flow low, and especially if we see a buy signal around structure support, all three of these typically combine to be extremely bullish. Keep in mind though, if whales continue moving money out of the market, this is entirely possible. There is a strong possibility that we could drop as far down as $32,000. This is $31,862. We're just going to call it whole numbers theory, $32,000. Even if we actually do drop all the way to $32,000 for a 25% crash in the market, have heart, buy the dip, make some extra money, and put yourself in a significantly better position than you were in before. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you how you should use your money. I'm certainly not telling you to take any trades, but here at Trade Confident, that's exactly what we're doing. And in fact, as you saw earlier, we've actually taken trades based on this move. Now, another reason I'm so confident that this is just temporary is in April is the next halving event for Bitcoin right in this area. A halving event is going to create a massive supply shock. People panic. They feel like they're not going to be able to get Bitcoin, and the flow of Bitcoin into the market, the creation of Bitcoin, slows down by 50%. Historically, this shock in supply has created massive parabolic moves in Bitcoin. And once again, as we can see back here, we saw absolutely insane, literally record-breaking pumps in the market. Because of all these reasons, despite all the market manipulation that has ever happened, despite collapses of exchanges, major trust lost in cryptocurrency in general, Bitcoin has stayed strong. It has always recovered, and I truly believe it always will. Now, as all this plays out, we're going to keep you updated as best we can. But if you want to solidify your position in the market, if you want to find the best possible places to enter, you can see back here how much more room we have to drop with the price versus well money flow if we break this structure support. We are so close. If we break below this, I think we're going to see significant crashes. You're going to need to track well money, and the price versus well money flow is the tool to do it. And as that happens, as well money flows out of the market, you need to be able to track the momentum of the market as well. Typically, whales are going to set that precedent, but trades in favor is going to help you catch any strange dips. And if you see both of them align, it almost guarantees a move in the opposite direction. Finally, the TC top and bottom finder is going to help you time the bottoms. If you see a buy signal either here or here at either of these structure supports, moves up are almost guaranteed, especially when combined with similar signals from the price versus well money flow and trades in favor. This is how we've managed to win 119 wins, 0 losses. And if you decide to take a trade, make sure you use solid risk management, because this is what has saved our butts multiple times in the crypto market. Now, the best possible deal is going to go to our members. You get an extra bit off. It's actually significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than without one. And aside from massive discounts on the indicators, members get access to 20 coins worth of metrics. I'll be going over Bitcoin shortly. Don't worry. They're going to get access to our trade setups where, once again, 119 wins, 0 losses with 7 active trades. And don't forget about the future forecast video. Brand new one just came out today. And check this out. This is actually kind of crazy. This person 3 times their portfolio in 30 days based on our content within the membership and the indicators. This person won the 5% AVAX trade while they were sleeping. This was called out late December. Easy win there. This person covered their member dues for the year based on the information shown in those future forecast videos. Do not miss out on anything the membership has to offer. And once you have your membership, I'll show you exactly how to get the indicators. So stay tuned for that. Links are going to be in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. It'll give you everything I just showed you and more. $59 a month, but hurry because price increases are coming soon. Lock in your membership price as cheap as possible. It'll give you everything I just showed you and more. Click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership, head back to the description, click the indicators link. It's going to be the second one. Scroll down. The pro indicator pack is what you're looking for. Members get $150 off just as a thank you for being our members. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with the membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code here. Click Pro Indicator Pack, and from here you're going to scroll down, click I want this, throw in your membership coupon code, fill in your information, click Pay. It's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a total $550 discount. Click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. To finish off our analysis, we're going to head down to the Bitcoin metrics and check out this data. Bitcoin emotions are really high. Traders were really excited yesterday, but that has begun to drop. Typically, when we jump into excited territory, this is where we're seeing moves down in the market. Not shocking at all from this perspective, but we have to be careful. Based on this move down, I'm betting we're going to see a drop into neutral or even as far down as anxious. Watch for that. If we do drop into anxious, this could be a great opportunity to dollar cost average back into the market. Next up, we need to be paying attention to what whales are doing. As I've told you earlier, whales are the market makers, and based on this move down, whales are very likely to enter long trades. And we just saw that BlackRock is scheduled to buy $10 million worth of Bitcoin within the next couple of days. So no surprise at all there. Long trade sentiment from whales means Bitcoin is going up. This shows what whales are likely to do soon. The next metric, the Bitcoin whale money flow relative to price chart, shows what whales are actively doing. And as you can see, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Whale money is dropping out of the market. This is dropping the price. We have structure support on this metric right about here. And if we break through that, the next support sits right about here, and that is a massive drop. If whale money drops that far, you can bet Bitcoin itself is going to drop significantly. And as we scroll down here, the target for that move should be right about here, $32,000, but we do have $38,000 we have to break through first. Last but not least, as the price drops, watch the Bitcoin trade signals chart. As we fall further and further, look for a buy signal. Typically, these buy signals are going to result in significant moves to the upside and could be a great opportunity to once again dollar cost average into the market. Pay very close attention to these metrics. They update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership. Do not forget to watch that future forecast video.